Hello mom, today I'm going to present a map of Uganda. Population. Uganda is the second country in the world with the highest birth rate, with an average of 6 children per woman. Currently, Uganda has a population of 14 million of inhabitants. The population doubles each 25 years. Weather. Uganda is sunny the most part of the year. Hardly ever passes about 29 degrees. The annual average temperature is 26 degrees. Capital city. The capital city of Uganda is Kampala. This is located in the south of the country near the Victoria Lake. Kampala is the largest city of Uganda. Borders. The countries that are next to Uganda are South Sudan by the north, Kenya by the east, Democratic Republic of the Congo by the west, Tanzania and Rwanda by the south. Most important cities. The most important cities of Uganda are Kampala, Lugulu, and Lira. Kampala is the capital city and the largest city in Uganda. Gulu is the center of business and administrative in the Gulu district. Lira is the main municipal, administrative, and commercial center of the Lira district. Landmark. Bwindi Impenetrable Forest National Park. The forest is one of the zones with the most biologically diverse areas on the earth, and there live a half of the mountain's gorillas species. Also, is an unexplored area. Queen Elizabeth National Park is the most visited game reserve in Uganda. It includes the Kasese, Kawenge, Bushingi, and Rukingiri district. Mamburwa Lake National Park. This park has a variety of animals like zebras, impalas, buffaloes, and 300 species of birds. How the economy is distributed around the country. The economy of Uganda depends on the agriculture of cotton, coffee, millet, sorghum, corn, potatoes, cassava, and sugarcane. In general, all the people work in agriculture, specifically 18%. Thanks for your attention.